I just have to show everybody how beautiful my daughter is. And how she loves sucking on her jumperoo. Hi, honey. Hey there, baby girl. Hi. What are you doing? Are you sucking on your jumperoo? Hey, honey. What's going on? What are you doing? You get camera shy, don't you? Don't you? What happened? What happened? Jump, 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 jump. Your Auntie April would do that so well. Say hello. Say hello. Or just suck on your hands. Hi. What's that? What's that? Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, honey. Yeah. Get the parrot. Get the parrot. You'll get it someday. Not touching the ground yet, but very cute. Ha! You're very cute. You're a very cute little girl. Look at you. You look like Daddy. Dada with a little ribbon on top. Look at that awesome hair. I mean, come on. I don't know if this is considered a mullet or what. You guys tell me what you think. I gotta turn you around. Hey, let go. You don't want to turn around? You're like, no, I like this. Look at that hair. Our poor girl. She's already balding. How you doing? How's it going, honey bunches of oats? Hi. Say hello to the camera. Hi. Okay, well you can only watch a baby so long while they do nothing. Honey. And that's a wrap.